Welcome to my video. Today, my friend and I are taking you on a special journey to explore one of the hidden gems of the ancient Khmer Empire, Prasat Chrung. This beautiful, lesser-known temple is tucked away right at the quiet southeast corner of the massive Angkor Thom city wall. We've taken some amazing photos and footage to share with all of you, especially those who haven't had the chance to visit this magical place in person yet. Before we start our trek, here is a quick but important travel tip. Motorbikes are strictly prohibited on top of the Angkor Thom city rampart. To protect the ancient structure, visitors must either ride a bicycle, rent an e-bike, or enjoy a peaceful walk to reach the unique temples built along the upper wall. As we make our way, just look at the incredible scale of this ancient fortification. To protect the historic capital from enemy invasions, the Angkor Thom wall was engineered to be an absolute fortress. It stretches exactly 3 kilometers long on each of its 4 sides, measuring a massive 25 meters wide and standing 8 meters high. I am absolutely thrilled to share the rich history and breathtaking views of this ancient southeast corner temple with you today. So, let's begin our adventure and go explore the temple together. Now, we have successfully reached the west entrance of this incredible southeast corner temple. Take a moment to look up at the pediment right above the doorway. Even after centuries of weathering, you can still clearly see a beautifully preserved standing Buddha statue surrounded by his devoted followers. This central figure is framed by intricately decorated sandstone pillars and elegant door frames that showcase the mastery of ancient Khmer artisans. Let's step through these historic ruins and head inside the temple. This sacred monument was constructed in the late 12th century during the glorious reign of King Jayavarman VII. It was dedicated specifically to Lokesvara, the bodhisattva of infinite compassion in Mahayana Buddhism. King Jayavarman VII originally built this sanctuary so that the loyal soldiers guarding the city walls would have a sacred space to pray and worship the main Buddha statue installed deep within the holy shrine. Tragically, if you look inside the central shrine today, nothing of the original statue remains. When the Khmer king permanently moved the capital away from Angkor Thom to the south in 1432, this area was left abandoned to the jungle. Over the centuries, ruthless treasure hunters looted the shrine and stole its sacred artifacts. Despite that loss, the temple is still filled with artistic wonders. As we walk around the exterior, you can see stunning sandstone carvings of Apsara dancers, heavenly maidens, and guardian devas chiseled into the stone. The combination of nature, history, and ancient art makes walking around this entire temple grounds an absolute joy for any history lover. This specific spot is the exact southeast corner of the massive Angkor Thom city wall. If you look closely at the foundation, you can see how the ancient builders used heavy, durable laterite stone blocks to form an unbreakable barrier to protect the capital city. Today, however, nature has completely reclaimed the area. Massive, ancient trees grow directly out of the top of the city rampart, their roots wrapping tightly around the historic stones. As a reminder of just how grand this defense system was, this giant defensive wall stands an impressive 8 meters high and stretches a broad 25 meters wide, meaning it was wide enough for ancient soldiers and even elephants to march along the top. Now, as you look at our footage on the ground, you will notice scattered piles of carved sandstone blocks. Over centuries of heavy monsoons and jungle growth, these stones slowly shifted and fell from the main temple structure. To prevent these priceless artifacts from being lost or damaged, the Cambodian government, in collaboration with archaeological teams, carefully collected and organized them nearby. They are using a method called anastylosis, meaning they plan to painstakingly puzzle these blocks back together to fully restore the temple structure in the near future. With the rich history in mind, let's take a moment to look out over the edge and enjoy the spectacular, peaceful views surrounding the temple. This incredible southeast corner temple sits right on top of the Angkor Thom city wall. If you enjoyed this history tour, please hit that like button. leave a comment, and subscribe to support our channel. When we aren't making YouTube videos, my friend and I work full-time as professional licensed tour guides right here in Cambodia. We are incredibly passionate about sharing our country's rich history, and we would love to host you. Whether you want to explore iconic temples like Angkor Wat or venture off the beaten path into hidden jungle ruins just like this one, we can design the perfect custom holiday for you. We also provide safe, comfortable private transportation to ensure your trip is completely stress-free. You can find all of our contact details, social media links, and booking information in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in Cambodia. Bye-bye.